What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at something in the knife community that sells out extremely fast, and we have a lot of things that sell out very fast in the EDC community, and this is no exception. It is from Garage Built Gear, the Mighty Pouch Plus. It sells out in seconds, super fast. So let's get a close look and see what all the hype is about this pouch. Okay, so let's open this sucker up and see what we got. Okay, USA made, garage built gear. Okay, so the Mighty Pouch Plus has an extra large loop section for your various patches of whatever you want to put on there. Ranger eyes, big patches, little patches, whatever you want. The original version just had a small strip, so the Plus version has a very much bigger section for you putting patches on. So we have a back pocket back here where you can stick maybe credit cards, I guess, or whatever in there. Got a nice heavy duty zipper, and that's very good. Got a very good feeling to it. Opens up very nicely there. So yeah, we got some little pockets here for little gadgets. Then you got one extra big pocket right there. Then you got a nice opening here. And then you got some stretchy loops here. And then another big pocket here. Yeah, it's really cool. Very nicely made. You can see it's got some thickness to it. I do believe that it is like 3.5 by 4.5 inches. So let's just get a quick measurement. 4.5. Yeah, so I guess it's 4.5 by 5.5, or maybe the dimensions are more. Yeah, the dimensions on the website might be internal dimensions that I saw, so pretty cool either way. I think the biggest thing that I've noticed about this pouch versus a lot of other pouches you see, there's a lot of other pouches just have this little loop, stretchy loop section. So instead of actual pockets, and that makes it so that when you put a knife in the loop section, it's open in the bottom and open in the top. With this here, you've got a lot more. You put a knife in here and a knife in here. You've got a lot more pocket where they're not gonna bang against each other when you're closing them. Same with here. I mean, if you were to stick a knife in this section, this loop section here, you still have it kind of tucking in underneath that pocket there. So when it's closed, again, their two knives are not gonna touch. So very cool. Now you're not going to get anything super intense because again the inside dimensions are relatively small. So you're looking at a knife that's really going to be under about 4 inches. And same with a pen. So anything that typically has any length, real length to it, you're really going to be pushing to get into these. But anyway, a lot of people usually are just kind of doing Instagram shots with a lot of these, and whether or not they're super practical, I guess, is debatable depending on what you're really going to be doing with them. There is also a front pocket. I just noticed that. There's also a little front pocket there. There's no security such as a zipper or anything, so you might want to be careful what you're putting in there, but it's very nicely made, I will say that. And got a little I got a little stretchy loop section here that you could probably put a lanyard or something like that through there. That just makes it easier for the opening, I guess. Yeah, that's just part of keeping it all together too, I'm sure. It's got a little bit of give to it, so, but very nicely made. Again, this is made by one person. So that's why they sell out so quick too, because he doesn't have like an excessive amount of these. When they become available, they're literally becoming like 5 of each or something like that. So that's why they sell out so fast. And you can pack a lot of Ranger eyes on here too. I mean, if you've seen them on Instagram, you see that they guys have them pretty racked up when they put their various little Ranger eyes on there. So there's just an example of what a couple Ranger eyes will do, and you still have some more room. That's just kind of just throwing them on there. But yeah, very well made, nice small little EDC pouch. Especially if you're carrying a bunch of little stuff, you know, you could stick some credit cards or whatever in there. Might be a challenge to get into your pocket because it's fairly good size. Again, we are looking at about 5 inches by 5.5 or 5.25 or so inches. So pretty, and it'll be bulky too. Thickness wise, it's not super thick right now. It's about an inch maybe, about an inch. But once you start throwing a couple knives in there, that's definitely going to bulk it up. So other than that, really cool. I can see kind of why the hype is so much about it. For such a little pouch, it's really packing a lot of punch. You know, you stick a knife in there, you don't have to really worry about them banging around. Put a small little cloth over it for a super expensive knife if you're afraid of snail trails or whatever. But it's very nicely made, so very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are out of here. Have a great day.